Next question. A Limited has issued convertible bond which carries a coupon rate of 14%. Each bond is convertible into 20 equity shares of the company A Limited. So the conversion ratio is given 20. The prevailing interest rate for the similar credit rating bond is 8%. It means that the investor's required rate of return is 8%. The convertible bond has 5 years to the maturity. So the 5 years is there for the maturity. It is redeemable at par value 100 rupees. We have been provided with the 14% and 8% discounting factors. We are required to estimate calculations to be made up to 3 decimal places. So this is important, friends, which you have to follow. There are 3 questions provided to us. The first is the current market price of the bond, assuming it is being equal to its fundamental value. See, this information is not required to be given. This information means that the current price of the security is equal to its present value. The current price of the security is equal to its present value. That is what it has a meaning. Second question. Minimum market price of the equity share at which the bondholder should exercise the conversion option. And third, you are required to compute the duration of the bond. That is the way we are required to make the 3 calculations. I want you to calculate the answer of all 3 on your own. So friends, over here, the first part of the question and third part of the question can be done together, wherein we can compute the price and at the same time duration. Information is provided to us that the coupon rate is 14% and the discounting rate is 8%. So the information about this discounting factor at 14% is provided just to misguide us. So be careful that we are not being misguided with that. Let us answer the question. Calculation of current P0 and duration of bond. Column number 1 is year. Column number 2 is cash flow. Third column is discounting factor 8%. Next is the present value. Then we'll make the computation of the proportion of the present value. Then proportion into time period. And with that, so we'll make the computation of the duration. As far as the first year is concerned, let us see. 100 is the face value. The coupon rate is 14%, so it comes to 14. Second year again 14, third year again 14, fourth year it is again 14, and fifth year it is 114, because the redemption value is given to us as the face value. Discounting factors at the rate of 8% is provided to us. First year it is 926, second year 857. What is the third year factor? 79. Next.
735.
Next.
681.
Thank you. That is what we understand is the present value factor. Now cash flow into present value factor. So what will happen, friends? It is 14 into 0.926. It is 12.964. 14 into 0.857. That comes to 11.998. 14 into 0.794. So it is 11.116. 14 into 0.735. So it is 10.29. 114 into 0.681. 77.634. So the total comes to 124.002. So this is the answer of our first question. Now before we do the second question, we are doing the third question, wherein we will compute the proportion and then time period. So 12.964 divided by P0. So 0.1045. So we can say 0.105. Because the question says that you are required to work out the answer into 3 decimals. 11.998 divided by P0. 0.0968. 11.116 divided by P0. 0.0896. 10.29 divided by P0. 0.0830. The last one will be kept as balancing figure. 0.105 plus 0.0968 plus 0.0896 plus 0.083. All of them is subtracted from 1. So 0.6256. Let us verify. 77.634 divided by 124.002, that is 0.6260. So we are calculating that as balancing figure. I am just changing it. 0.0968, I am doing it 7. I am sorry, because it is supposed to be in 3 decimal only. I am sorry. 0.0896, so 0.09 I am doing. 0.083. So 0.105 plus 0.097 plus 0.09 plus 0.083. All of them are deducted from 1. 0.6250. So the total is 1. So proportion into time period, 0.105, 0.194, 0.27, 0.332, 3.125, 0.105 plus 0.194 plus 0.27, 332, 3.125. So 4.026 years. That is the way the duration of the security can be calculated along with the P0. Everyone just be little bit careful. That's why we are required to compute the answer into 3 decimals only. Now answer for the second question. Calculation of price for conversion. We understand that say the price and conversion ratio. We have been provided with the information that the conversion ratio is 20 equity shares. So we understand that say the current price of the security is 124.002 and the conversion ratio is 20. So the market price of the equity share at which you are indifferent for the conversion is P0 divided by the conversion ratio. So it is 124.002 divided by 20. So that gives us the answer of 6.20. Now what does this 6.20 indicates? It is indicating that, say, beyond this price, if at all the market price of the equity share is more than 6.20, then in that case the investor should convert this bond into equity share, not otherwise. That is what we understand. Now friends, very similar to this, we did a question earlier in which the information is given like this. XYZ Limited has issued a convertible debenture with an interest rate of 30%. Every debenture has an option to convert to 200 equity shares anytime until the date of maturity. Debenture will be redeemed at the rate of ₹1,000 on maturity after 3 years. An investor normally requires a rate of return 25% per annum on 3 years security. As an investor, when will you exercise the conversion if the current market price of the share is 4, 5 and 6? So whatever this question that we had done, exactly the same question that we have over here, and in that they have provided an additional question of the duration, and in that said this time they have not asked for the individual price whether you should convert or not. The question says that, say, what is the break-even price beyond which you should exercise the conversion. As far as this question is concerned, we already have computed P0. What is P0 for this question?
1097.6.
Sorry?
1097.6.
So 1097.6. That is the P0 that we have found, divided by 200. So that gives the answer of 5.488. So we had made a calculation that, say, beyond this price you should go for the conversion. Below this price you should not go for the conversion. Exactly this question is there along with the duration of along with the concept of duration.